Hey everyone. As an introvert, I've been through some tough times, social anxiety, overthinking, and honestly, just feeling stuck. There were so many moments in university when I wanted to speak up, ask for help, or make a move, but I froze and ended up hiding in my room instead. If I'd had access to the AI tools we have today, life could have been so much easier. These tools aren't just practical, they're like a lifeline for introverts, helping us overcome challenges we've struggled with for years. Today, I'll share 3 AI tools that I wish I could have used back then, and how you can use them right now to tackle your biggest pain points. Let's get started. First up is ChatGPT by OpenAI, a tool that feels like a personal mentor in your pocket. I can't tell you how many times I froze while trying to draft an email or a message, especially when it came to asking for something important. If ChatGPT had been around during my university days, I wouldn't have wasted hours rewriting the same sentence over and over. Here's the deal. You may have already heard about ChatGPT or even tried it out. But to really make it work for you, focus on using it for your exact challenges. For instance, if you struggle to find the right words in a professional email or need help starting a tough conversation, just type your situation into ChatGPT and it'll help you phrase things confidently and effectively. It's not just a cool tool, it's a way to take control of those awkward moments and turn them into opportunities. Next, let's talk about Otter AI. Back when I was in university, group discussions and study sessions were my worst nightmare. People would talk so fast, and by the time I'd processed one point, they'd moved on to another. If Otter AI had existed then, I wouldn't have had to rely on my anxious brain to keep up. This tool transcribes conversations, meetings, or even your personal notes in real time. It allows you to focus on the moment without the pressure of remembering every single detail. And here's the thing. You might already know about Otter AI or similar tools, but are you using it to address your specific struggles? If meetings or group discussions overwhelm you, try recording and transcribing them with Otter. You'll gain the clarity and confidence you need to contribute without the stress of missing anything. The third tool is Replika, and this one's a bit different. Replika is an AI companion designed to listen, chat, and even help you build social skills. When I was younger, there were days when I felt isolated or unsure about how to approach people. Replika could have been the non-judgmental friend I needed back then. Here's how it works. You chat with Replika like you would with a close friend. It helps you process emotions, practice conversations, and even provides feedback to improve your social skills. It's a safe space to explore your thoughts without fear of judgment. If you're struggling with confidence in social settings or just need someone to talk to, give Replika a try. It's like having a supportive companion by your side, helping you grow step by step. These tools aren't just practical, they're empowering. They remind us that it's okay to need support and that technology can help us tackle our struggles head on. If only I had these back then, things could have been so much easier. But now you have access to them, and they're waiting to help you grow. If this resonates with you, leave a comment below with the tool you're most excited to try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Remember, your introversion is your strength. Embrace it, nurture it, and let it guide you to success. Until next time, take care.